everyone, this is Alina from Alinacutle. Today we will use this star set to make a 4 tags pop-up card. This is for pop-up mechanic part. This is tag frame. I cut 2 times. This 3 is for tag layers. The basic border with scallop border and a small frame. I cut 1 for this basic, 2 for scallop, and 2 for this small frame. These 2 tiny parts can be flag banners. I cut some we can see the flag with big dots for thread through. These 2 are crown parts. They are very cute. These are lucky leaves and stars. Very small but very cute. Okay, let's get started to make the card. Fold according to the lines. And these 4 lines fold to opposite direction. And please follow my video. Fold this paper in this way. It's very easy. It is key part for our pop-up card, but it's very easy. Okay, next step, we prepare card base. The paper I use is 21 cm long. After folding in half, the size is 10.5 cm. Tour of the card is 15 cm. Okay, let's set up the mechanical parts. This 4 sides is for sticky. Let's glue. And this side is same. Make this whole line against to the middle line of card base. Stick to one side. Please attention here. The whole line has a little distance to the base card line. This can make a card close easily. Close the card and stick the other side. Well, the mechanical parts ready. Let's see it. Next step, let's make tags for the lines. Join the 2 parts together. This side the same, glue and stick. Now I will decorate the tags. I use both of these frames. How about use the crowns? Seems cute, lovely. Okay, let's stick them. Very sweet. Add more crowns. Okay, now we finished the tags. It's very lovely. Now we install the tags onto mechanical base, just like this way. The tag next to the edge, about a half cm, we can see in details. Okay, we glue on the base. And stick the tag on. Stick this side. Let's see again inside the two sides. Oh, it's ready. Very nice, pretty and interesting. Now I finished the card with the hello tag on outside. I used the tag die and the basic layer to make this hello tag. Here I used flag banners and lucky leaves for decorator. We can put photos on tags to make an album. Here's another very pretty card for Christmas. Very lovely with Christmas goodies. Okay, it's today's video. I hope you love my tutorial and the cards. Thanks for joining. Bye bye.